Hey folks, I've got a new old video today. New meaning, well, old meaning it's one of my very first videos from like 12 years ago or more. And it was one of the first things I came up with that I thought was like a really good idea, and it's French toast waffles. I love making French toast. My wife loves my French toast, my son as well. And I got this idea one night. I woke up in the middle of the night and I'm like, French toast waffles. So it's made with thick Texas toast and then your traditional French toast, eggs and, whatever. But as a waffle. So the video was kind of long and was like really drawn out, so I was able to condense it to a lot quicker, right to the point. And I just want to show that really quick. And these turned out to be a favorite of my family's, and I've made them several times since then because they're just so easy to make and they love them. So here's how to make French toast waffles. Okay, let's put this together. Now I've got some Texas toast here. It's a lot thicker. It's like twice as thick as regular bread, and this is going to be perfect for these French toast waffles. We've got 3 eggs here, some half and half, some cinnamon, and some vanilla. And then a waffle iron, of course. So let me get these eggs all beat up, mixed with the rest of these ingredients, and then we'll start putting this together. Okay, just want to beat the eggs. You can use your favorite recipe for making French toast. This is just how I make it. I like to scramble the eggs real good, add a little bit of vanilla, just a tad bit, and then I like to add some cinnamon to mine. The cinnamon just really sets it off, if you ask me. You can always leave it out if you want, but I like it. And just get this all mixed up really well, and then just add a little bit of half and half, or whatever you want. You could use almond milk or whatever, but I like half and half. Okay, got to make sure our waffle iron is heated up and ready to go. Now this waffle iron will handle 2 of these, but I'm just going to do 1 for this demonstration for now. So just want to soak the bread really good on both sides with the egg mixture. Both sides, of course. And then add that straight to the waffle iron. I did spray the waffle iron with some vegetable oil so that it won't stick. And then you just want to close it up and let it go. It's all done. Look at that. It's a perfect waffle. It really is. And it's a French toast waffle. So I'm just going to spread some butter on and then add some maple syrup. You could eat them how you want. My wife actually prefers them with just some powdered sugar sprinkled on them, almost like a funnel cake. But I like the full butter and maple syrup. Okay, let's give this a taste. Yep, it tastes as good as it looks. It's really good. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Go make them.